everyone, welcome back to my channel. This intro idea was given by my Zofishan Inaya Ahmed, my daughter. So today with me I have this blue purplish white box, big box from Sony. This is Sony's gaming headphone. The name is Sony Inzone H9, you can see, right? So this is a wireless noise cancelling gaming headphone, noise cancelling, right? And it has, we can see what they have inside. They have the boom microphone for high quality sound. They have the head cushion and earbud suitable for long time use. Long time, that means they have written that you can use this for 32 hours. Wow. This headphone is for PC and PS5. If you have a PS5, then you can play with this. I don't have a PS5, just let it go. Then it has a receiver. Of course it has a receiver because it's a Bluetooth headphone, and no plastic box. So Sony has initiated that they will not include any plastic without except the product. So there is no plastic in this box. Let's open it. Let's open the box. I guess we have another box inside the box. Okay. Wow. Feels good. Open boxes. Okay. Then we have the product. Okay. So there is a box, another box. This is the USB-C cable, I guess. Let's open this. Yeah, let's open this. Yes, it is a USB-C cable and USB. Yeah, so you can charge your headphone with this. You put it here, and there is the box. Okay, there is the receiver. You have the PC and PS5 switch here. You can see maybe. And I put it here, and we have the actual product. Let's open it. Okay, it looks very premium because it is premium. Okay, so they have the power button, the Bluetooth button, and they have the game and chat button. Okay, it's like you are playing and when you are chatting. Okay, and over this side, over the left side, we have noise cancelling and ambient mode button. Then we have the volume button here. Wow, it goes and goes. Okay, okay, it's a volume button, and you have the charging port, USB-C charging port. Okay, what else we have? We have the microphone, and let me show you the cushions. The air cushions are memory foam, I guess. If you press this and release, it will come back. Yeah, it's coming back. So it's the memory foam, and it's very comfortable. You can see it's very comfortable, and they have also cushion here for your head, so you will be very comfortable wearing it. Let's wear it. Okay, it feels very good and comfortable on my head. You can see the headphone. It's very good, but you're not getting the full review today because it's just an unboxing video. So if you want to see the full video, just wait for 1 or 2 months, because I'm going to use this product, and then I'm going to make the intense review video with all the details and how I feel about it. If you like this video, please like and comment on this video and share this video with your friends and family. Till then, be good, be positive. Bye.